bit of a mystery yourself. So hey, fine with me. All right, you break.
Can't be. You!
So, we meet again. Crescent Blade!
Cloud action! Lunar Q, Saber mode!
Surprised to see me, Merrick?
This is impossible. I broke your curse. Aku! I don't understand it. How can they be fighting each other? I thought Merrick was Zen Aku. We have to help him. No! I have to fight him alone! This is my fight, not yours!
After 3,000 years together, you think you can escape me?
But I broke the mask!
Yes, and we were ripped apart.
But...
I'm no longer dependent upon another to exist. You got your freedom, but my spirit was also released. Now I'm free to do as I please.
If you no longer need a host to live in this world, what do you want from me?
Your spirit and mine were entwined together for centuries. You chose to destroy that bond to separate us. I was discarded, cast aside, rejected, but now I've come to take you back. Together we will be unbeatable.
I will never ally with you again!
You have no choice.
No!
What?
God, why did you do that? I told you it was my battle!
He would have...
You know what? It doesn't matter.
But we're your friends.
I'm the one who released Zen Aku. I have to handle this on my own! World access!
Merrick, wait!
I have to do this!
Merrick,
Your friend belongs to me. Don't stand in my way.
Stop! What's that? I'm the one you want, Zen Aku! Merrick!
Yes, come to me. Crescent Wave!
We've got to help him!
Merrick! No!
Where'd they go?
I don't see him.
They're gone.
Zen Aku couldn't have.
We'll get him back.
Give in, Merrick. Your efforts are futile. There is no escaping me.
I brought your spirit into this world. I can send it back.
You will never make me return. You cannot run from your past.
He said to run the sword. Come on.
You have grown too weak. Your time has come.
I won't give in.
Now you will pay for your betrayal! I told you you couldn't run from your past. Now we will be one again.
Thank you, Wolf. Thank you.
Merrick!
What are you doing here?
The Wolf Lord spoke to me. He said you needed us. He brought us here.
You have to let us help you.
You were willing to sacrifice yourselves for me.
I would sacrifice my life. For my friends.
We all would.
We're a team, Merrick. We have to fight together.
All right, let's do it.
Wild access!
Now you've got all of us to worry about.
Fine, then I'll destroy you all. Crescent Wave! Where did they go?
Up here!
Jungle Sword! Sound Slash! That's out! All right, he's all yours, Merrick.
Lunar Q! Break mode! Laser pool! Yeah! Lunar break! You're finished! It's over!
You haven't even seen a fraction of the power I now possess.
Full sword!
They are useless now.
Wolf, Hammerhead, Alligator! I know you want to vanquish Zen Aku, but my friends have shown me we have to work together! Wild Swords, combine!
Merrick needs our help. Let's do it! Wild Swords! Descend! Wild Swords, combine!
I'm warning you, Rangers. Stay out of this.
Not a chance! Danny, show them what we've got! Right!
Final strike!
Nice try.
Impossible! How could he do that?
Now you see, I can't be beaten.
He can't do this!
There's gotta be a way!
Wait a minute.
Yeah, that's it! Huh.
You just don't learn, do you?
Gator Stab! Strike mode!
My horn! You cut off my horn!
Your history, Zen Aku! Revolver, Phantom! It's finally over.
Merrick wandered the globe searching for his next adventure, along with an unlikely companion from his past.
Where are you going?
I go wherever the wind takes me.
You could use some company.
My path is to walk alone. I still have much to atone for.
You and I have a lot in common. You're not the only lone wolf looking for redemption.
Follow me if you must. I won't stop you.
Well then, lead the way.